Yo YouTube, just a really quick tutorial because many of you have been asking for this. I'm going to show you how to get free coins in 8-ball pool. This is going to allow you to get unlimited coins, but also it's going to give you other features such as an extended line, like an aiming tool and other things. It's basically an 8-ball pool mod menu. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. You need to of course make sure you have the 8-ball pool app, and it is working. This tutorial will work on iPhone and Android, so it doesn't matter which mobile you have. So just make sure you have 8-ball pool. I've actually gone on the wrong one. Make sure it is the correct one, guys. 8-ball pool. So this is my spare phone, so I don't have the app installed, but I can still run through the process. You basically have to have the app on your phone, make sure it's fully updated, and yeah, let's just have a quick look how much coins cost. So you can see, I mean, they're not that expensive, but when you purchase tons of them, it does get pretty expensive pretty quick. So have the app, open up the internet. I'm using obviously a Safari browser, but it doesn't matter which one, just as long as you can get on the internet, and go to www.speedy plugin.com. So Speedy Plugin. Very important you go to the correct website, guys. This is basically a plugin app store, and they have tons of different mods and basically plugins on here for all of your favorite mobile games and mobile applications. So you need to look for the 8-ball pool mod. It's pretty easy to find, but if you can't find it, there is actually a search feature on the app, and you can type it in there, 8-ball. It should just pop up, guys. 8-ball pool mod. Click to get the mod with unlimited coins, extended line, and more features. So this is basically going to allow you to dominate the game. This is a app that sits on your phone and it runs in the background as you play the legit 8-ball pool game, and it's going to give you tons of features. So follow the instructions on the next screen. So when this gets to the end, guys, it's going to basically show you a new screen with a set of instructions telling you how to install the plugin. So let me just cancel this because I don't have it on my phone. But yeah, you're going to see a new screen, guys, and basically you will need to verify your device. It takes a couple of minutes. You need to complete like 2 tasks. They can be like playing free games or answering questions. Pretty simple. Just take your time, fully complete them, and that's going to give you the plugin for free coins and everything else in 8-ball pool. So that is it, guys. Definitely the easiest method, and it's going to save you a ton of money and allow you to basically just win every game with the other features that the plugin allows you to get. So enjoy, smash the like button, and I'll see you next time. Peace.